Hey there, welcome to today's video where we're going to talk about a common problem that many Microsoft Teams users are currently facing. Recently, an announcement was made that O365 connectors within Teams will be deprecated, causing notifications from this service to stop. This poses a problem for those who relied on this feature, such as in the case of Azure-DevOps Server, on-premise, users who used it to send build and release notifications to Teams. Now, let's delve into the solution for this issue. The answer lies in utilizing Power Automate. By exploring Power Automate's webhook feature, users can trigger actions using Azure DevOps Server integrated service hooks with webhooks. These hooks send build-release information in JSON format, which can then be passed in Power Automate. From there, variables can be used to create messages or adaptive cards to send into Microsoft Teams. While this solution may not be as straightforward as before, and may require a premium subscription of Power Automate, it does the job effectively. In summary, we've covered the problem of O365 connectors being deprecated in Teams, and how it affects Azure DevOps Server users, along with the solution of using Power Automate's webhook feature to continue sending notifications to Teams. Remember, adaptability is key in the ever-changing landscape of technology. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. See you next time.